Do you often sit and look at screens throughout the day with bad posture, causing a lot of neck or upper back pain?
Oh, yes, I do. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you the #1 stretch. And this is something that we have been consistent about over the years, how to correct it. The stretch, not just a bunch of them, but one most important.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Forgot Bob's name.
It's a family show. Let's start over. I'm Brad.
I'm Mike, and behind the scenes we have Bob, and together we are the most famous physical therapy team on the internet.
In our opinion, you need to slow that down a little bit, Mike.
And if you're new to our channel and like this video, please subscribe.
Yes, and subscribe even if you don't like it. Plus, we have the spine here with a crooked neck, and we're going to fix it.
So the #1 exercise, if you've watched any of our videos before, you've probably already heard about it, and it's called the chin tuck. But why is this an important exercise?
Well, it's vital and it's very fundamental to the spine and the cervical spine, the neck, actually, where you get that. This is responsible for that neck hunch. Yes, that's also known as the lady syndrome. What's that called again?
The lady? What?
Yeah, I'll think of it. Dowagers. Dowagers. I'm sorry, But anyways, so we're looking at this. If your head is forward, looking at the computer or the phone like we just demonstrated, you get this when actually the spine wants to be up, a slight curve in there, but not this awkward one. And here's the head back forward. So let's correct that with the chin tuck.
So obviously optimizing your setup would be good to prevent this. However, most people still fall into these bad habits. So just doing chin tucks throughout the day when you're stuck staring at a screen can help. Now, all of these are good. This exercise is good because Robin McKenzie, actually, most of his exercises, he's a another famous physical therapist.
Right.
Many of his neck exercises actually begin with the chin tuck.
Right. Yeah, Robin was around for many years. He's passed away now, but if you're a physical therapist, you have studied his techniques for sure. Okay, what is a chin tuck? They're waiting. People are patiently waiting. We're babbling.
So a chin tuck, what you're going to do is if you're in a head forward position, you're going to bring your head straight back. You are not going to extend up and look at the ceiling. You're not going to look down. Your head posture should stay the same, but you're going to give yourself a double chin. You will feel the stretch mainly in your back neck muscles here when you do this, and it's not the most flattering thing, and it's honestly kind of hard to talk when you're doing it.
Now, actually, I'm going to say, if you were my patient, I'd say, that's good, but let's actually do this. Work with me. There you go.
Well, I'm tight.
You're a little tight there. You need to work on the chin tuck.
I do have a fat neck.
Can we bring the camera over here? I want to demonstrate if you're all by yourself and you have a flat wall nearby, you can use it if there's no pictures on there. Put your butt up against their shoulders back, and then see if you can touch the back of your head to the wall. Now, I'm doing it incorrectly. This is not a chin tuck. I'm looking up. I want to look straight ahead. Chin goes in. And I'm tight too. I'm a little tight, but I can get it. So this would be a good stretch for me to do. It works better with the wall because I know I'm doing it right. But when you're sitting working at the computer every 20 minutes to 30 minutes, as if you're doing this, first of all, get your screen up this high, and then do your chin tucks, 3 or 4 of them every 30 minutes.
Now, it's also good to try and hold it for 5 seconds when you're back and then relax. And you can just do it throughout the day. And it can help a lot with your posture and that neck pain you're experiencing.
There you go. Don't overdo it. If you are tight and you're like this, don't think you're going to get it to here really quick if it's uncomfortable or painful. Gentle. It happens over time.
Now, we realize some people, this is a good way to start, but they want to have more exercises or stretches. So instead of babbling on more in this video, you can click the video link on the screen to find a nice 6-minute routine.
That's right. It's called The Perfect Posture in 18 Days, 6-Minute Routine. Get there before midnight tonight.
Well, it'll still be there after that.
Yeah,
but
just kidding.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yep. Have a good day.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.